one hand, there is a team on top of the league table, which is arguably one of the most balanced sides this season. And on the other is a team nearly finding winning ways and are up and running finally. Mumbai Indians and Sunrisers Hyderabad will have an entertaining matchup this time. With both the teams deadlocked at 7 wins apiece in their 14 encounters, this match will be entertaining. Here is the fantasy 11 of this match. Ishan Kishan. Ishan Kishan grabbed the opportunity in his first game of the season by scoring 99 runs and taking the match to the super overs. That solid knock of Kishan will surely give him a place in the first team over Saurabh Tiwari. Also, the mentality and the quality of strokes that we saw in the first game from Ishan Kishan might be a start of something big from him this season. Jonny Bairstow. The destructive English opener Jonny Bairstow has already made his mark this season. He has scored 119 runs in his 4 games with his best score of 61 and thus looks to be in good touch. He will be looking to score more runs at the same pace this game in order to give Sunrisers Hyderabad a good start in the power play overs. This makes him our second pick. Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma is one of the most destructive batsmen of the world. He can take on any bowler on his day and he just feels unstoppable then. He would be looking to get a good start this game as he is massive once he settles in. He would be confident after his knock of 80 runs against the game against KKR and this thus makes him our captain. Manish Pandey. Manish Pandey has proved to be a dependable batsman with a wide variety of shots. He proved to be worthy in the previous game against Chennai Super Kings with a quick-fire cameo at the top of the order that laid the foundation to that massive total. SRH would only expect better from him this game as he has the capability to play big. Kane Williamson. Kane Williamson has always been a dependable batsman for Sunrisers. He has the ability to play crucial knocks under pressure for his team and will look to do so the same this game as well. He is a good player of spin too. This game would also be an opportunity for Kane Williamson to continue the form that he was in last season. This also makes him the vice captain of R11. Kerryon Pollard. Pollard has been a go-to player for Mumbai every time they are in dire need for someone to perform well. He has played some big knocks for Mumbai this season and will surely be a player to watch out for in this game. This makes him our 6th pick. Hardik Pandya. Hardik Pandya is a key all-rounder for Mumbai Indians. He can bowl well in crucial times and his massive strike rate of over 150 shows how well he hits the ball. Although he has only shown glimpses of his potential this season of being capable of turning matches around with both his explosive batting and bowling and by being a live fire on the field, this grants him a slot in R11. Jasprit Bumrah. Jasprit Bumrah is one of the best bowlers in the world. He has been a dependable bowler for Mumbai Indians and has bowled in crucial situations for his team and won games as well. His wicket-taking ability, not only in the power play but also in the death, makes him a brilliant bowler. He will be looking to bounce back to his best form out of redemption after the super over defeat and thus will be a player to watch out for in this game. Rahul Chahar. Rahul Chahar has constantly performed for his team. His economy rate of just 6.90 speaks volumes of his skills. He is a wicket taker and can contain runs very well and is likely to perform well on any given stage and on any given track. This thus makes him our 9th pick. T. Natarajan. Natarajan has already picked up 5 wickets this season. His Yorkers are lethal and he is constantly picking wickets every single game. He has exceeded the expectations that people had for him with his performance and will surely create an impact this game too. This makes him our 10th pick. Rashid Khan. Rashid Khan is a crucial wicket taker for Sunrisers Hyderabad. With 4 wickets to his name already, he would be looking to get more to get into the purple cap race with his brilliant leg spinners. He has an economy rate of just 5.12 this season and will be looking to keep up this good form in this game as well. This thus makes him our final pick. These are the 11 who we feel will be the most crucial in their team's dominance in this game. Who is your favorite pick? Let us know down below.